my name is Laura. I'm an artist and I'm going to show you how to paint with ashes. What you'll need to do this is your ashes, paintbrush, and some water. So if you paint with the ashes themselves, it's going to be really dry and very difficult to control. However, if you mix some water with your ashes, it will help smooth it out a lot. So I'm going to add a bit of water to it and then mix it in. How much water depends on how dark you want your ashes to look. So I've mixed it in and now I'm going to paint with my ashes. So you're going to want to use a surface that will handle water, like a watercolor paper or something else that is comparably water resistant. And you can go from there playing with different textures and thicknesses, levels of opacity with the ash that you want. I'm Laura and I just showed you how to paint with ashes. Thanks for watching. Bye.